大家好，我叫福远方. Hello everyone, I'm Emily, and today we're going to go over 4.2 in the Integrated Chinese Volume 1 textbook. So if you have your book, you can open up and follow along. So last week we went over the question 你去哪儿? So where are you going? And we also talked about word structure and sentence order you need to be following if you're writing or speaking. So my first question I have is 你去哪儿? Where are you going? And I wanted you to say I'm going to the library. So you would say 我去图书馆.我去图书馆. Question 2. This is just a basic sentence structure that I wanted you to follow. Remember, with the Chinese language, you have the subject, verb, object sentence structure. And then when you have other components like the place, time, those also take into consideration of where they need to be in the sentence. So I wanted to say, Mr. Lee is inviting you to have Chinese food tomorrow. And so you would say, 李先生明天在饭馆请你吃中国菜. And I have 在饭馆 in parentheses because if you were to put a location, that is where you would put your location between 明天, tomorrow, and 请, which is asking you to do something, to invite you to do something. So 李先生明天在饭馆请你吃中国菜. So this would be a generic sentence structure that you could find in any Chinese textbook. So what are we doing today? We're doing two very simple things. We're going to introduce the verb 想 and then the verb object as a detachable compound. So this sounds a little bit confusing, but trust me, it is not very hard. So we're going to start with the verb 想. So 想 means to want, to want something, to want to do something. I want to eat food. 我想吃饭. Now, 想 is very different from 要. Yao also means to you want to do something. But the difference between these is that Yao is more like I will do this because I want to do it. I want that, I will do that. Versus xiang, which is I want that, I want to do this, but you don't know if that's actually going to occur. So 我想吃中国菜. I want to eat Chinese food, but will I eat Chinese food? I don't know. 我要吃中国菜. I will eat Chinese food, basically, is what you're saying. Both meaning want. It's just what that kind of want is leading to. Is that end state. So, just a basic question. 你想去吗? So, where do you want to go? So, you can say 我想去图书馆. 我想去我的朋友的家. Like, you're just saying, I want to go to this place. Second question is, 你想不想看中国电影? So this is saying, do you want to watch a Chinese movie? Remember that verb structure that we've previewed, that we've reviewed in the previous videos is you want to do this or you don't want to do this. It is a question word. And then 看中国电影 is just watching a Chinese movie. So do you want to or do you not want to watch a Chinese movie? 你想听音乐吗? 你想听音乐吗? Do you want to listen to music? It's just asking, do you want to do this? So it's just a simple want question. And then 我不想回家. This is not a question, this is a statement because you can do it with a question or a statement. So 我不想回家. I don't want to go home. So like, 我今天不想回家. Today I don't want to go home. 我想去. And then you can go and say whatever you want. So the next thing we're going to cover is the verb plus object as a detachable compound. So verb object makes a verb phrase clearly. So you have a verb and you have an object, like eating food, sleeping. In Chinese, it's 睡觉, 吃饭, and so on. So you're kind of separating these two. So within my first example, I'm going to say use 学觉 because 学觉 is very very easy. You have that shui, sleeping, and jiao, that object. And so you're separating them. And you're putting something in the middle. That is usually a modifier of some sort, something that can change within any situation. And so this first one is 学一个好觉. It's basically saying a good sleep. So it's modifying that sleep to tell you what kind of sleep you had. So if we go into the second example, 唱歌, 唱歌 means to sing, right? So you would separate 唱 and 歌, 唱 to sing, 歌 like words, lyrics, and so on. So 唱英文歌, 唱英文歌 is singing an English song. Singing 唱 to sing 英文 English 歌 song. Singing an English song. See that 英文 English is modifying that song. It's telling you what kind of song you are singing. So we can see with every single one. 跳舞 to dance. 跳中国舞 dancing a Chinese dance. Sorry. 开车开什么车？开 Toyota 车 driving a 开车 is to drive a car. So driving a Toyota is basically what you're saying. So you can see with all of these two others reading what kind of book or drawing this kind of drawing. Like you just this last one is 画画 to draw. This is a newer word. You're just drawing or painting or drawing a canvas of some sort. But you can see you're just separating the verb and the object and putting that modifier in there. Not too difficult. You can, with more practice, it becomes a little bit easier. It's a little bit different because you don't really do it like that in English. You don't separate that verb and object. You just put that modifier before the verb object phrase usually. So it's just, something different to think about and remember when you want to modify a verb phrase like that. So, two simple things that we covered. So here are the practice questions. So remember, we only have one question for each topic that we covered in the video. So question 1 is I want you to use 想 to say I don't want to go to the movies. So how would you say I don't want to go to the movies? Using 想. And then question 2, I want you to say writing English words. This is, remember, using that detachable compound with the verb phrase, using 写着. 写着 is writing words. So how would you say writing English words? That is my second question. So just think about that a little bit, 想一想. So 谢谢你们，会下次见，拜拜。